Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we are replacing the brake fluid in this Toyota Auris. Not sure if it has ever been replaced before, so I thought, what the heck, let's do it. And the tool I'm going to be using for this is this handheld vacuum pump. We need something to suck the old brake fluid out of the reservoir and something to catch it. We need a 10 or 11 millimeter spanner for the leading screw. We need brake cleaner to clean off any mess that we make. And we also need some fresh brake fluid. The way I'm going to do this, I'm going to start at the right rear and come over to the left rear. Then come to right front and then left front. Okay, let's go under the hood. So the brake fluid reservoir is located right here. So I'm gonna take a dirty old towel, put it right here to protect things, because we don't want brake fluid on any painted surfaces. Now I'm going to take brake clean and spray around the cap and clean off as much as possible. Like so. Now we can remove the cap. Like so. There is this filter inside of here we need to remove. Just take a needle nose plier and pull it straight out. Then we take our suction thing and a bottle to put it like so. Now we put new fluid and fill it up. Maybe I need It's not a big deal if you go over the maximum line. Because we are going to flush the system. Okay. Now let's loosen the rear wheels. Jack her up, put her on jack stands, and remove the wheels. Now let's assemble the tool. Make sure that the rubber seal is in place. And it say on here to the pump. So that's where we connect this. Like that. And we take another hose, put it on the other side. And we take a fitting and put it on the end. Like that. Now we can remove the dust cap. And the size is 11 millimeter on this. It's on like that. Now we can open the leader. And we can start pump away. Till we see fresh fluid come out. like so. And between this wheel and the other side, we need to check the level in the master. Yep, we are definitely good. Now let's continue. So now that we are done on this side, clean off any brake fluid, that, and put the cap back on. And we're done on this side. Now you know how it's done using this vacuum pump. Now I'm gonna do the rest. Now we need to check the level. Yep, it's good. And we need to put this filter back. Like so. And we don't want to forget the cap. That's it. Well guys, now you know how to flush the brake system. This should apply to just about any car out there. So, hope you enjoyed this. And as always, like and subscribe guys. And I'll see you in the next one.